On screen text, how to repost a story on Facebook. Narrator, in 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to repost a story on Facebook, step by step. On screen text bottom, step 1, open Facebook. Narrator, step 1, open the Facebook app on your phone and log in if you're not already. On screen text top, go to Stories. Narrator, from the Home tab, look at the top of the screen for the Stories bar. On screen arrow, pointing to a friend's story. Narrator, tap the story you want to share again. This can be your own story or a friend's, if sharing is allowed. On screen tip text, tip, some stories can't be reshared. Narrator, note, if the creator disabled resharing, you won't see a share option for that story. On screen text bottom, open the story. Narrator, once the story opens in full screen, you're ready to repost it. On screen highlight, paper plane or share icon. Narrator, look for the share or paper plane icon on the story, usually at the bottom or right side. On screen text, tap share with a bouncing arrow. Narrator, tap that share icon to open your sharing options. On screen options list with highlight on share to your story. Narrator, from the menu, choose share to your story to repost it to your own story. On screen text top, optional, add text or stickers. Narrator, here you can add your own text, stickers, or drawings before you post. On screen button callout, share to story. Narrator, when you're ready, tap share to story or share now to publish the reposted story. On screen text, you're done. White heavy check mark. Narrator, that's it. Your reposted story now appears in your own Facebook story bar for your friends to see.